You can go whenever you are ready.
The second session of Junior Achievements Personal Finance is Saving for Life. This is focused on teaching the students how they can save to accumulate money for their financial goals in the future and potentially unexpected costs. The objectives of this lesson will be to recognize high dollar items and unexpected costs that may require them to save ahead of time, and review the key concepts related to successfully saving money. Some of the key terms that you will want to cover in here would be interest, investing, and saving. The activity is, let's start over.
Yep, I'll edit it out. No worries. You just keep going.
The activity is actually a discussion activity. It is very similar to a game that you may have played when you were younger called Mad Libs. You will hang up a poster that has a number of scenarios on it. The students will then be asked to fill in the blank for their decision. You will hand out to them their own card, on the front of which they have the blanks that correspond to the poster, where they can fill in their decision. And you will just read through the poster and they will fill in the answer that matches the poster's prompts. After you've done that, you can take and have the class share their answers with you and with the rest of the class, all moving towards the second part of the activity, which is on the inside of the pamphlet, and that is how to begin to create a savings plan for the unexpected costs and unthought of costs that we talked about on the very first page. You can team them up in groups of 2 or have them do it individually. At the end, you can also, if the time allows, you can go through this with the class and have them share their insights and their answers. There are 4 different sections, and each of them has different questions. The one thing that you'll want to keep in mind is the answers to the questions are on the very bottom of the final 4th section. So there is some calculating, so you may want them to have calculators available, but the answers to the calculations are on the back. Also, for the second activity, we want to remember to give them their lanyards so that you can give them a reminder of their savings plans and what they'll be wanting to do in the future to make sure that their plans come to fruition.